All right, so you might have heard the news that DLSS is working in Blender. Polyfjord made a video yesterday, and um, it's quite impressive how flawless the render view is in Blender using DLSS. Here's a few examples from that's the render view, which is incredible. It's moving like it's like real time. There's no lag. There is no denoising lag. It's very impressive. So you can go check out his video, Polyfjord. Go check out his video. He goes through a lot of different scenes to show DLSS, and he also talks about there's going to be a release with DLSS. Spoiler alert, not soon. So you might want to give this tutorial a try. The one thing it doesn't do is to tell you how to install it. So let me guide you right through this. Now, this video is going to be fine for anybody because I'm dumb as hell. I'm not a genius. I used Claude AI to help me go through the steps to install a Blender build with DLSS. Now, you need an NVIDIA card, a recent one. This won't work with Intel or AMD cards. So, yeah, first of all, you need Git. This is going to be to clone the repo of Blender. You also need the SDK of Optics. And there's this DLL file that you also need, which I'll have all the links in the description. These are the original links. I don't know if it's I don't think you can share them from your own servers or whatever. So yeah, I'll have the original links in the description. Just download it here. These are the main files that you'll need to download separately. Everything else will be done through the command prompt, and I'll just show you the Claude my prompt from Claude, which is quite simple. Yeah, you need Visual Studio 2022, the SDK, Git, as I've said, and yeah, that's the commands for my PC. But yours might be different. This is my main user profile directory on Windows. Usually, I'm using Linux, but today I wanted to make it easy on myself and just build it on my Windows laptop. But if you're interested, you can watch my video where I compare Windows and Linux for Blender users. The link will be in the description. So yeah, right now I'm rebuilding it because I thought I was gonna make a video showing you how to do the whole process, but it's very long and it's a bit boring because it's only command lines. So I'll just show you how to do it with the Claude AI assistant, which is pretty much the same. Yeah. All right. So yeah, I got my DLL file right there, which I'll have to copy later on in the build directory where Blender will be. So simply put, you got your command prompt right there, your terminal, and I just asked Claude to tell me how to build the pull requests right here that we have. I'll give the link in the description. You just copy it and tell Claude to guide you step by step, and you'll figure it out. Anyways, I'll show you. So git clone. This is going to clone the repository of a Blender on your computer. Then you cd Blender, you go into the directory, you fetch the pull requests about DLSS support, and you update the library. So you copy paste all this in your terminal. After this, you get back to your user profile directory and you clone the DLSS repository. So for all the 3D artists here, it's quite simple. You don't need to be a programmer to do this. After that, CMake, which is to build your software, basically, to build Blender. you'll use your Visual Studio 17 2022. Here you'll have the path to where you installed the Optics SDK, and also where you clone the repository of NVIDIA's DLSS SDK. At one point I had a problem where it didn't find DLSS and Optics, so I'm trying to I'm not sure if I can find it. Anyways, it's not that important, but you need to could not find DLSS. See here, right there. When you're doing this step, it needs to find it. So if you see this, that's not good. What I did, I copy pasted it to Claude. I told him it didn't work. And yeah, the fix was could not find DLSS. There you go. Yeah, because I wasn't in the right directory. So the AI assistant just went through the whole process to make it work again, and it was completely fine. Just make sure when you configure your build that it finds DLSS and optics. After that, yeah, you make the build process. So this is what I'm doing right now, which is taking forever. It's been going on for maybe 30 minutes or so. I don't know. So don't be in a hurry, or just go grab a coffee, make a YouTube video, subscribe to my channel. You download the DLL file that I told you previously from the NVIDIA build, right there from the DLSS SDK, and you copy it where the Blender file will be. All right, so I'll catch you guys once the build is over so we can go on with the next step. All right, so after my third coffee, the installation is done. So once we're inside, actually, I want to go with File Explorer. There you go. And here you want to copy paste the DLL file that you got from the DLSS SDK repository, and copy paste it. And now let's launch Blender from the command prompt. And it's not working. Not working. Blender.exe. There you go. All right, so it's Blender 5.1 Alpha. A little sneak preview, and let's go into the render properties, cycle, GPU. Let's go inside the preferences, system. There you go, optics, and denoiser, DLSS. And let's go into the render view. And there you go. Now, when obviously it's not impressive because it's just a cube. Let's open the classroom scene and turn back on all the settings, DLSS, GPU, render. And there you go. It's crazy. It's crazy how fast that is. It's flawless with DLSS. You can go in the demo files website of Blender. Here you can try a bunch of different scenes. You got the barbershop and a lot of different other scenes. Or you can simply try with yours. You can play around with Blender 5.1, DLSS. All the important links will be in the description. Just follow what I went through. You can just go on claude.ai, ask, just paste in the prompt the pull request website that I have in the link in the description, and just say, guide me through the whole process of having a Blender build with the DLSS support, and just follow the steps. If you have any problems, with the commands in the terminal. Just copy paste them in the prompt and usually finds the error. If you think something is going to be weird and it might be a mistake, don't do it. But yeah, follow what I did and enjoy DLSS in Blender. See ya.